Pleasant welcome to everyone. We are presenting Signals and System Meaning Project 1. Our subject code is 21 EC301. Team members working on this project are register number 97, Maithili D, register number 98, S. Nancy Goldie, register number 115, R. Rachita, register number 117, R. Raghavi. We are presenting this presentation to our mentor, Mrs. M. Shakunthala. Our title for this project is Automatic Plant Watering System without using Arduino. Materials used for this project are moisture sensor, 5-volt relay, 5-volt DC pump with tubing jumper cable, 5-volt battery and a PCB.
Construction. We used 5-volt DC pump which is made to connect to the water dispensing wire. The DC pump has two wires. Red is denoted as positive and black denotes negative. We took a plastic container in which the DC pump is kept inside and the dispenser along with the power cable are taken onto the top of the lid. The relay module of 5-volt and PCB are made fit to the top of the lid. PCB connection. To begin with wiring, two wires are connected to the sensor and the other ends of the wire is connected to the positive and negative wires and one grey wire. One white wire is connected to the supply of the PCB, a grey wire is connected to the ground and another white wire is connected to the digital output. The analog of the PCB is left empty.
Relay module connection. The white wire from the digital output is made to connect with the input of the relay module. A red wire is added to the positive terminal of relay and a white wire is connected to the negative side of the relay. Now connect the red wire positive from the DC pump to normally open contact of relay. Add a violet wire to common of the relay. In this cable, the small terminal is cut and when the wire is peeled back, these shows up a red wire positive and a black wire negative. The relay module from which the other end positive terminal wire is connected to the USB positive side and also the other wire of the relay to the other side and positive wire from the PCB. All the positive wires are connected together where the other end of the negative wire is black. From relay is connected to the USB negative side and the negative wire from the DC pump and other negative wire from PCB. All the negative wires are connected together. Now the sensor is kept to dry sand. Now the USB is connected to the other power bank or the laptop for working.
These are the components kept in the visual below or used in this project.
The benefits of automatic irrigation are reduced labor, timely irrigation, plants being watered when needed, management of higher flow rates, accurate cutoff of water compared to mulching, reduced runoff of water and nutrition, reduced cost for vehicles used to check irrigation.
Shown in the PPT, this is our automatic plant watering system. In this project, we have used a PCB and a 5-volt relay module and a sensor which detects the moisture in the sand. And we also connected a DC pump which is 5-volt and the tube that is coming out of the plastic container. The DC pump is kept into the plastic container. Now first of all, let's see about the wiring. This moisture sensor, we have this moisture sensor. With this we are connecting two female jumper cables and this two jumper cables are on the other side is connected to the positive and negative sides of the PCB. And second of all, we are going to see about the wiring connections in the PCB. White wire is connected to VCC and grey wire is connected to the ground and the white wire again is connected to the DC output signal. In this, AC output signal is kept empty. Secondly, we are going to see about the wiring in the relay module. The DC wire that is coming out from the PCB is connected to the input of the relay module and then a wire is connected to the two red wires are connected to the DC input and DC output. Now we have given a white color wire to the common common relay module coming out of the DC pump is connected to normally open. There is a normally open and normally closed space in relay module. Normally closed is kept empty. Normally open is connected to the DC wire. The positive wire that is coming out of the relay module and the PCB cables and the other positives are connected together, and all the negatives coming out of the relay module and PCB are connected together. After all completing the wiring connections, now the moisture sensor is set ready to kept in the wet sand. The working of this automatic plant watering system is the moisture sensor that is kept inside the sand detects the dryness or wetness in the sand. If the sand is dry, it starts the DC pump collects the water from the container and it transfers to the mud. Suppose if the sand is wet, it does not pour the water.